Question number 1. Federalism in the Indian Constitution context means. Option number A. The existence of more than one level of government in the country. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a feature of the Constitution of India? Option number C. Dual citizenship. Question number 3. Who described the Indian federal system as a bargaining federalism? Option number D. Maurice Jones is the correct answer. Question number 4. The Constitution of India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a dash system of government. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a dash system of government. Option number B. Parliamentary. Question number 5. Who among the following described the Indian Constitution as quasi-federal? Option number C. K.C. Ware is the right answer. Question number 6. Which is not a unitary feature of the Constitution of India? Option number A. Bicameral legislature. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a federal feature of the Indian Constitution? Option number C. All India services. Question number 8. The establishment of the Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, and Joint Public Service Commission falls under which of the following features of the Constitution of India? Option number C. Federalism is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which of the following statements are correct in the context of the Indian Constitution? Number 1. There are three major organs of the government, namely legislature, executive, and judiciary. 2. A separation of functions rather than powers is followed. 3. All organs of the government are independent. Option number A is the correct answer. 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2. Okay. Question number 10. Dash government governs within the bounds established by constitutional law and citizen rights. Option number D. Democracy. Question number 11. Secularism is a feature of the Indian Constitution, which means. Option number B. The state does not promote any religion. Question number 12. Which country has the lengthiest written constitution in the world? Option number B. India. Question number 13. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution, which states that that is Bharat shall be a union of state, mention which of the following features? Option number B. Cooperative federalism. Question number 14. Which of the following is our source of law in India? Constitution of India, statutes, customary law, case law. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option number D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not a feature of the Indian federalism? Option number D. Indian federalism is based on the principle of separation of powers. Is not a feature. Question number 16. Which among the following is not correct? Option number C. Interstate trade and commerce is a subject under the state list. Is not correct. Option number 17. Which one of the following is not a feature of centralization? Not a feature of centralization. Option number D. Liberty. Question number 18. Who among the following said that democracy means a system of government by consent? Option number A is the right answer. John Locke. Question number 19. Legal positivism theory was developed by. Option number B is Here option number C is the correct answer. John Austin. Question number 20. Which one of the following statements is not correct about totalitarianism? Option number B. It asserts political freedom of the individuals, but it does not assert personal freedoms. Question number 21. Which one of the following is not correct? Option number C. Insurance does not come under the union list. Is not correct. 22. Which one of the following is not an Indian form of socialism? Socialism. Option number B. Radical socialism. Question number 23. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of the Indian federalism? Option number A. The federating units consented to form a union. Question number 24. As per the state list, under the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India, the state have jurisdiction over agricultural land in connection with which of the following subjects? Taxes on agriculture income, duties in respect of succession on agricultural land, estate duty agricultural land in respect of agricultural land. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Okay. Option number D, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. All of the above. Question number 25. Which of the following statements are correct? Criminal law is exclusively a subject under the state list of the Constitution of India. Code of Civil Procedure falls under the concurrent list of the Constitution of India. Which is correct? Here option number B is the correct answer. 2 only. Okay. Question number 26. Which one of the following languages was added to the 8th schedule by constitutional amendment in 1967? Option number C, Sindhi. 27. Which one of the following is not a function of the Constitution of India? Option number A is the correct answer. To ensure participation of good people in politics. 28. Which one of the following is not a feature of the Constitution of India? Option number D. It specifies the supremacy of the judiciary. 29. In which schedule of the Constitution of India provisions as to disqualification on grounds of defection are given? Defection. Option number B is the correct answer. 10th schedule. Question number 30. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. List 1. First, past the post system, charter of fundamental rights, residual powers, directive principle, state policy. Directive principle state policy is taken from Irish Constitution. So D2, D2, D2. Okay. And residual powers is taken from, okay, fundamental rights is taken from American Constitution. So B3, here is B3. So option number A is the correct answer. A1, not E1. I think residual powers is taken from Canadian Constitution, and fast past post system is taken from British Constitution. So here A4 is the correct answer. Okay. Option number D. Question number 31. Which one of the following languages is not included in the schedule of the Constitution of India? Option number D, Ladakhi. 32. Which among the following Supreme Court judgment establishes the principle that the basic structure of the Constitution of India is unamendable? Option number B, Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Question number 33. Which of the following statements as per the 3rd schedule of the Constitution of India is correct? Number 1. A member of parliament is free to take the oath or affirmation by swearing in the name of God. Number 2. Judge of the Supreme Court has to take the oath of affirmation by swearing in the name of the Constitution of India. Option number C. Both 1 and 2. 34. Constitutional government means. Option number D. A government limited by the terms of the Constitution. 35. Which one of the following factors constitutes the best safeguard of liberty in a liberal democracy? Option number D. Separation of powers. 36. We adopted parliamentary democracy based on the British model, but now does our model differ from that model? Option number C. Both A and B. 37. If a particular area is brought under the 5th schedule of the Constitution of India, which one of the following statements best reflects the consequence of it? Option number A. This would prevent the transfer of land of tribal people to the non-tribal people. 38. With reference to scheduled areas in India, consider the following statements. Option number B. Only 2. The largest administrative unit forming the scheduled area is the district, and the lowest is the cluster of village in this block. 39. Which one of the following statements is correct as per the Constitution of India? Option number C. Interstate quarantine is a union subject under the union list. 40. Consider the following statements. Two only. Option number B. A community declared as a scheduled tribe in a state need not be so in another state. Question number 41. Consider the following pairs of schedule and content of the Constitution of India. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Option number A. 1. 3 is the correct. Fifth schedule, provision related to the administration of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes.